Good morning, guys. Uncle Mike 392 out here. CertiFit this morning, Saturday morning, guys. 26th of July 2025. Finally made it. They canceled this twice because of rain the last couple of weeks. They finally got it the third, 3 times the charm, guys. Okay. But anyway, I'm gonna get this Roush right here. She's gonna give me a cold start. Here we go. Let's get back here and get this cold start on this. There you go. There you go. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it. I just wanted to get a cold start. I got you.
Thank you.
Now let them see you. I want them to see you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead, go ahead.
I'm not going to get in your way.
Yes, ma'am. Ooh, look at this big engine on this thing. She said it got 800 horsepower. Get a little information for you guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna move on. All right, let me get over here on this side with this thing.
Kind of my brand now, so I have to do it. It works.
All right, let's get this on there. What's going on, brother? I love these beautiful cars. I mean, look at this yellow Ford right here. V8. God, that's beautiful. The color. Yeah, guys, they got a lot more in the back. So I'm going to film. This here's the front area. I'm going to film in the back in a little bit. I'm going to work my way around the circuit. Give you guys plenty of good content. I ain't been out to a car show in a while. It's been raining so much out here in Oklahoma City. I ain't got to go to a lot of car shows this season. Look at that beautiful yellow truck, man. That is beautiful, man. Look at that thing. Making it shiny, baby. Check out this Mustang down here. Mustang Sally. Good morning, sir. Once again, guys, I'm out here at CertiFit. They're having a car show out here at CertiFit out here. It's on Reno and the I don't know this upper street, but behind me is Meridian. But this is Reno. It says right there on that sign, Reno. So some old Mark I's. I'm way out here along downtown Oklahoma City, right down there, big skyscrapers down there. Way down that way. I'm way out here getting this content for you guys. I love you guys so much. I drive way out here, bad hip and all, and walking on this hard ass concrete. But it's okay. It's all for love, baby. It's all for love. All for love. Gotcha.
Goodness fit.
Hmm?
How long that the lady? Yep, that's
Look at this beautiful Mustang right here, guys. Mustang Sally. Did you guys see my video? I filmed the Thunderbirds when they were here.
Oh, did you? I didn't see that.
Beautiful, man. It was flying upside down.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Doing about 300 miles an hour flying upside right across Southeast 29th.
How long ago was this?
About a month ago now. Yeah, I got
Get
it.
back on, is it on the,
Some on YouTube channel. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
check it out.
It was nice, man. Oh my God. Here's Miss Piggy and Kermit, baby. Miss Piggy and Kermit in the house, baby. Look at that. Carol Shelby signed this. Look at that. That was nice. GT 350 Shelby right here, baby. This is a dark horse. 5.0. Look at that, the dark horse. Hope you like it. Hope you like it. I like it. How you doing, sir? All right, thank you, sir.
Yes.
Man, it is getting hot out here. Let me give you guys a time check. It is 8:15 in the morning. It is hot with a capital H. With a capital H is hot out here. Not with a baby H. I'm talking about capital H. It is hot out here, and it's a little bit after 8 in the morning.
Well, let me go register. Pick up my paper, and I'll see you in a bit.
You selling the engine, guys? Engine for sale. Okay. This engine is for sale. $4,000. I don't see no number on it though. Check out this beautiful Bel Air.
There he is.
What's going on, y'all? How y'all
How
doing?
you doing?
What year is your car?
57.
57.
I watched your channel.
I appreciate it, brother. Thank you so much.
It was real good out there, Tinker.
Yeah. Yeah, the planes? Yeah, it's nice. I didn't, you know, I film cars. I ain't used to filming something that fast. It's hard to keep up with them Thunderbirds, man. Yeah. What came in, it was two of them that came across, and one of them turned upside down, right going across Southeast 29th. And he flew like that all the way toward the back end of the Tinker, upside down. Like that was amazing.
Yeah.
Get you guys on YouTube right here. There you go. Appreciate it, brother. I'll see you guys later.
See ya.
You guys going to Total? They having the next Coffee and Cars in Total. You going?
Probably.
I'm gonna try to go if I can find Total. I'm from California. I'm still learning my way around Oklahoma, but I'll find it. Good morning, ma'am.
Hello.
Ooh, look at all these cars I ain't even filmed yet, guys. I gotta get all this for you guys. Good content on here.
That guy said that he knew Grandpa.
1957 Chevy. Look at that, guys. 57. Look at that engine. Give me a good thumbnail of this one. It's gonna be on my short. Yeah, there you go. Got the whole car in there too. All right, let's move on, shall we? That's a beautiful car. Look what that say right here. Oklahoma City is mighty pretty. Look at that. And this is for sale, guys. Look at that. It's got a phone number too. A lot of them for sale, they don't have a phone number. And a lot of times I can't find the drivers. They're trying to sell them. I can't find them to get the number. We can call them. All right. Check this out, man. Good morning, sir. It's a lot of cars out here. There's more cars in the back. I'm heading that way, guys. Going back, there's a lot of cars in the back. Get there slowly but surely. And this is the place I'm located out here, CertiFit. They have this out here once a year, I think. They supposed to have it like a month ago, but I mean a couple of weeks ago, but it kept raining and raining and raining. I think it got rained out twice. But 3 times a charm, we here. Thank the Lord. Appreciate you, brother. '68 Mustang Sally. Oh, I gotta get away from that music, guys. Gotta get away from that music. Gotta get away from that music. Gotta get away from the music, you see. Get away from that music, Mike. Get away from that music, son. Get away, get away. The music is gonna kill me. Dancing in the street, baby. New York City, baby. Yes, sir. Music. Yes, sir. We gonna move right on away from that music. See, that's what motivates me to move. I got a bad hip. When I hear that music, I know I got to put music with this, and that's not going to happen. I'm moving away from that music, guys. I am out of here. I got the pedal to the metal. This is about as fast as I can go, but at least I'm getting away from that music. Here, let me show you where that music was behind me. I'm going this way, brother. We don't need no education. Here we go, guys. We're going to the back. This is the back area. This is the back. I'm getting away from that music, guys. Get away from that music. That music is my worst nightmare on my channel. Does that mean I gotta put that sorry ass music they got on YouTube library on my video? See, it's back there too. All right, guys, I'm gonna shut it down right here and start all over. I'll see you guys on the other side. I'm gonna pick it up on the other side. Next video, gonna have to have music though. Later.